All right, folks, here she is. I'm just doing my video.
You done that last time.
I know. I do a lot of videos.
I want you to hook this where you want it hooked.
Okay, I'll hook it up.
And then I can get the rest of them.
Ain't no big deal. I'll hook it up. Yeah, they dented the damn suck. God dang it. That won't like that. That's happened since I was here last. Well,
Have you worked on anything?
all right, folks, she is loaded. She's rusty. That bumper looks good. The grill looks good. Headlight bezels look good. I don't know, maybe this fender. I don't know, I'm sure the bracing inside's gone. And looks like we got a mirror maybe. Mirror's tight, and of course the instrument cluster and dash and all that. The dash pad's cracked. Seats can be reupholstered, I guess. And this lower quarter here, I don't know. Seen worse. Trunk lid's probably shot. The gas tank, the matting is sitting on top of the gas tank, so there is no trunk fork. It's rotted completely away, pardon me. Looks like we got tail end, finish panel, tail lights are decent. Driver quality, the bumper shot. These pieces here, quarter panel extensions. And we may be able to save those. We can save that one too. This quarter panel here was good, but it crashed it. It does not have an 8 3/4. Most likely it's 8 1/4. I just took a quick look. I'm pretty sure it's 8 1/4. So there you go, folks. Now let's head on to the house here.